In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an Exness raw spread account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go up to the sign in button up here, and then click in your email address and password. You can also use your Google ID to get into your dashboard. Once you get into the dashboard, it should be looking something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the trading tab up here and then go down to my accounts. Once you're down here, you will see an overview of all your real accounts and all your demo accounts. Now from here, you will simply need to go up to the right hand corner and click open account over here to get this page right here. Now from here, you'll be able to scroll down until you see raw spread, that you can see that it's direct market pricing with fixed commissions designed to experienced traders. You can also see that there's a minimum deposit of $2,000, is 0.0 pips, and 1 to unlimited leverage, max leverage, and up to 3.5 USD per lot size. From here, you'll simply just need to click on it and then click continue. But then from here, you'll be able to set up your account. From here, you can either choose if it should be a demo account or a real account that you want to open. And from here, you can also change the currency. You can add this balance if you choose a demo account. You can add a nickname to this specific raw spread account. You can add the max leverage here. You can add the platform that you want to be trading on, either MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or Exness. You can also add a password, a trading password, so you can sign into your account using either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to click create. And then from here, you'll need to go over to my accounts, and then you'll see your active accounts, raw spread account, right here under the real or the demo accounts. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please comment down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!